Aloha! Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. We got a great episode today for Appies with Chappy by the lake. I'm going to do some mini calzones and some Bellinis. Of course, Bellinis originated at Harry's Bar in Venice, Italy, and of course, and Ernest Hemingway went there. But first up, we're going to make a drink. I'm getting this from Martin Cate's book, Smuggler's Cove, and it's called Corn and Oil. I'm just gonna build it over crushed ice in my Tiki mug, and calls for 2 ounces of rum. I got lots of room in my Tiki I got lots of room in my Tiki mug, so we're just gonna free pour that in. Again, I'm using Sailor Jerry's. I love the logo. I always say one day I'm gonna get a tattoo of the hula girl on Sailor Jerry's rum bottle. And then 2 ounces of falernum. And very easy drink, just a couple dashes of bitters. And I have a disheveled umbrella with a lovely garnish. And that's a corn and oil. Coming up next, we got Appies with Chappy by the lake, but stay till the end. I'm reunited with my little Chihuahua Mookie, so check it out. Alright, so I got my pizza dough all put together. It's just store-bought mix. So it just says a large bowl, mix entire packet of dough with exactly 1 cup of water at 80 degrees Fahrenheit water. Mix until dough is smooth and elastic. 10 minutes in kneading by hand or 8 minutes with a stand mixer. Form in 2 identical balls and let rise in a covered bowl 2 to 4 hours at room temperature. So we did all that and just kind of rolling it out. So I'm just going to do these by hand, I think. All right, little baby pizza. Go a little bit of sauce. We got like a half moon of salami, and then we got some nice fresh burrata cheese today. Okay, try to stretch it out a little bit more here. Okay, a little bit of sauce, half moon of salami, fresh burrata cheese. Okay, we're gonna give it a fold over. I'm gonna pinch the corners this time. I think that's the trick. There we go, that's better. Best one yet. We're going to do my frozen Bellinis. So I took some peach nectar and I made little peach nectar ice cubes. So we're going to put that into the blender. I might save a few ice cubes just for the drinks themselves. All right, and then I'm going to pop a little bit of peach nectar in there. And then I got some fresh peaches. You can also freeze the peaches too, or just buy frozen peaches. That's easy. And then normally Bellini is Prosecco and peach puree, but we're just going to use white wine, and then I'll add some ginger ale at the end to spritz it up a bit. Okay, we'll give that a whiz. We'll do a little bit more wet wine. And a little bit more peach puree, or sorry, peach nectar. And then we're going to finish it off with a little ginger ale. And then I got some fresh peaches as garnishes. And that's my frozen Bellini.
Cheese we're eating?
I think one's a goat's milk, and then the other is sort of close to like a Parmesan. And then it's huckleberry, and then the one's a pepper jelly. It might be a little spicy. Badger, what do you see?
I see meat on top of me. Go for it.
No, but you know.
Yeah.
Appies with Chappy. Badgers were invited for Appies with Chappy.
Badger was invited.
Who? Who? Do you want the meat or would you like the cheese one? Okay. Oh, he ate the meat off his cracker and he left his cracker.
Oh, rude.
That is rude. Yeah, eat your cracker. Eat your cracker. Over here. Crackers? Like he just took the meat off of both crackers. Look, fella. The cracker goes with the meat. Yes.
I'd give him pieces.
Huh? Oh, we didn't know. He thought it was a napkin. You can taste the meat on the cracker. Yes, you can. There you go. Oh, a little Parmesan perhaps? Oh, you like that?
This is delightful, he says.
Did you like that? I was sure it was going to rain last night, but it did not.
Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. What's that, Mookie? Mookie says life is hard. That's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.